Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you.
Ma'am, when we submit the project,
Beta, have you started working on that? Have you started working on it?
no, ma'am.
Then when will you start working?
Ma'am, today.
Today, yes. Start working on it. Try to finish it in two days. All right. So what were we doing in the last class? Everybody put your
Ma'am,
cameras
can
on.
I take the part in activity now?
Yes, of course,
Ma'am,
Beta.
can I
You
take
have
the
to. It's
part?
compulsory for all of you to do something. So please kindly note down the topics, children. Those who haven't written the topics, note down them. You can choose any one topic out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 6 topics. The first topic is places and monuments. Places and monuments. All the important places and all the
Ma'am, what
famous
we are
monuments
we
of
doing?
Punjab. Yes,
Ma'am, what we are doing?
we are not reading anything, Krishav. Listen properly. I'm telling the topics of Punjab presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
For those who had not written it, the second topic is food and language. Now, children, when you speak on food and language, you have to include something like the nutrition, the nutritious value of any food item that you are talking on. What nutrients it has, how healthy it is, these kind of things. You have to relate something, you have to relate this topic to science also. Fine?
Ma'am,
If you are talking about lassi, say suppose lassi. So lassi has got some nutritional value. So what nutrients are there in lassi and chach? You have to tell it. And those who have made their presentation, you can just add on a little in your presentation talking about the nutrients in the food products that you have spoken about.
Then
Yes,
we
Shreyansh?
can add the fact.
Yes, beta?
Then we can add the facts. Then fact about Punjab.
But facts, like what kind of facts? I'm giving you these topics, you have to speak on these. Any one of these topics.
Then fact
Now
the
facts will be not related to any one thing now. Facts can be from anywhere. It can be related to the historical point of view, it can be related to economical point of view, it can be related to entertainment, anything. So you just have to speak on one thing. The second topic is food and language. Third is rich culture of Punjab. Written, Harsh? Are you writing?
Ma'am, I can
Yes,
tell on
ma'am.
food and
Yes, ma'am.
languages.
I will tell you on which topic you have to do, Shreyansh. Then we have costumes of Punjab. The rich costume of Punjab. After that, festivals of Punjab. The festivals of Punjab. And the sixth topic is the traditional things and religion. Traditional things and religion of Punjab. These are the 6 topics that you have to speak on. Fine? Clear?
Ma'am, on all or any
Just one.
Yes,
Any one topic. Now, I have Shreyansh and Harsh. You will speak, both of you will speak on traditional things and religion of Punjab.
Okay, ma'am.
Both your
Ma'am,
name
give
I'm
me a
writing here, Harsh and Shreyansh. Anybody else is left whose name is not written anywhere? Ritikesh
Ma'am,
Gangwar and Virat. Open your cameras, both of you.
ma'am,
All of you, in fact, open your
ma'am, please
cameras.
tell my topic again.
Which topic? All the topics?
No, ma'am, which in I take part.
Traditional things of Punjab and religion.
Now please tell my topic.
Karthik, even your name is not anywhere. So, Karthik, you are going to speak on the culture of Punjab. Rich culture of Punjab. Fine. Ritikesh, have you understood what you are supposed to do in this project?
No, ma'am, I joined now.
Yes. You have joined late. You have not even viewed the video of the class in which I explained you in detail what is to be done. Now you have to watch the video of 23rd of December. But I can't keep explaining this thing again and again in every class. Just watch the video that is sent in your class group on 23rd of December. Try to understand what is to be done, and then watching that video, if you still have any confusion, then ask me on WhatsApp on my personal number. I'm going to tell you then. Fine.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
also have to
Yes,
make a
ma'am.
little effort for yourself. You can't expect every time to be spoon fed. So you have to do a little effort for yourself. Now, any other confusion? Okay. So this project work is quite clear to all of you now, right? You have to include pictures, you have to
Yes,
include
ma'am.
your own video. That just don't rely on one thing. Like you have just made a video of yourself speaking out things. No, it should not be like that. You should share some information in form of images and pictures. Fine? In your video. Clear? Okay. Now let's move ahead with the next chapter. Have we started doing chapter number 20? Waste
Ma'am, please
management?
tell me again.
Yes?
Oh, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am, we
today
have
we'll
to
be doing
start
this
the
chapter.
chapter.
We'll be reading out this chapter. While one of you,
Ma'am,
yes,
when we have to make this activity of
you have to start working on the activity today. I gave this activity to you on 23rd of December. On that date, many of you were not there in the class, and I had told that by today you are supposed to finish it off. But so many of you don't know the activity even today. So start working on it from today. Okay? All right. One of you start reading. Noel, start reading chapter number 20. I'll mark your attendance
Okay, ma'am.
meanwhile.
Chapter 20, Waste Management. Key terms: waste, biodegradable, landfills, reusing, waste management, non-biodegradable, recycling, compositing. In the previous chapter, we learned that human action has led to pollution and the wasting away of natural resources like land, water, and air. If we use up all the natural resources or pollute the earth, life would no longer be possible on earth. We need to protect our natural environment. which includes plants, animals, habitats, and our natural resources. The protection of the natural environment is called conservation. A lot of waste is generated in our homes, offices, schools, farms, industries, and hospitals every day. Where does the trash go? Mostly it goes to a dump or a landfill. Waste material may range from a small chocolate wrapper to a large old truck or a school bus.
Okay. Now, what is waste, children? According to you, what is waste? Can anybody tell me what is waste? No one knows. Waste क्या होता है?
मैम चीज खराब हो जानी.
Yes. When something is no longer of use. Like she said, जब कोई चीज खराब हो जाए, जब कोई चीज खराब हो जाए, that means it cannot be used, right? So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
consider something a waste when it is no longer of our use. Okay? It is no longer in a working condition. That thing is
Okay,
known to be a waste then. Now, what do you do when something gets wasted? When something is a waste according to you, what do you do with that thing?
Ma'am, we throw it.
We throw it. Like, for example,
No,
can you
ma'am.
give me examples? What all do you throw?
Ma'am, like a old toy or chocolate wrapper.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
very nice. And what else?
Ma'am, or a broken laptop or mobile.
Okay, you throw it. If your
Yes.
TV is no longer in a working condition, what will you do? You will throw your TV?
Ma'am, like chocolate wrappers.
Ma'am, we repair the TV. Yes,
Okay, we get it repaired. Fine. But if suppose something is not in a condition to get repaired also, something becomes irreparable and completely waste.
Broke.
Like my pencil. Now my pencil is become this small and I can't write it any more with that pencil. So what am I going to do? I'm going to throw it in the dustbin, right? But what
Yes,
if
ma'am.
my
Yes, ma'am.
TV also is no longer in a working condition? Will I throw my TV in the dustbin? Do we do this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
If suppose my computer is not in a working condition, what will I do? Will I throw it in the dustbin? No. Yes, we get it repaired, but if suppose now it has become very old and it cannot be repaired also, it is a waste for me. So
Sorry, ma'am.
each kind of waste has to be treated accordingly before disposing it off. What we are doing, what we do at our home, suppose we have got so much waste in our kitchen, the peels of fruits and vegetables, we throw it in dustbin. We have our little things that you use on daily basis like erasers, pencils, pens. What you do, you throw it in dustbin. Then we have wrappers, toffee wrappers, chocolate wrappers, we've got sweet boxes and all. What we do, we throw everything in one place, at one place, and we make just one dustbin at our place. So this is wrong. What should be done? We should manage the waste accordingly. Now, how that waste should be managed? What do you mean by waste management? Each waste should be treated according to its nature. Why? Why should we treat each waste according to its nature? To protect and conserve our environment. Because if we treat all the waste products as one and we throw it, we dispose it at one place, what happens? Our environment ultimately suffers because of that. So, in this chapter, we are going to study how we should manage waste. And how we should manage waste, it starts from our own houses. If we start it from our own house, then only we can take care of the environment. Okay? starting on a small scale, and then things turn out improve on a large scale. So let's study here how it happens. Okay, everybody underline this line. The protection of the natural environment is called conservation. The last line of first paragraph. What is conservation? The protection of environment. Then, a lot of waste is generated in our homes, offices, schools, farms. Yes?
Can I read second paragraph?
No, beta, he has already read. I'm just explaining. Now, see, children, on daily basis, what do we do from morning till night in our own houses also? We have a big bag that gets ready each night of garbage, right? We have so much garbage at our own houses. Our house is such a small place. Okay? If in our house each night there is a big garbage bag that gets ready, then just imagine how much garbage is generated in offices, schools, farms, hospitals, and industries every day. So there is so much waste that is generated. Agree? Do you agree to it? Then
Yes,
where
ma'am.
does the
Ma'am.
trash go? Where does all of it go?
Ma'am,
Mostly,
landfill.
yes, mostly it goes to a dump or a landfill. Waste may range from something as small as a chocolate wrapper to as big as an old truck or a bus. Now, we have types of waste. There are different types of waste. Not everything can be categorized not everything can be put in one category. They have different categories. We have different categories of waste. Let's study them. Now, Karthik, you can read.
Ma'am, which paragraph?
Types of waste.
Type of waste. The different type of waste are liquid, liquid sewage,
Sewage from
water
homes.
from home, sewage, water from home. Second, solid paper, wood, metal, glass, old cars. Third, hazardous chemical batteries. Fourth, organized food peels plants. Fifth, recyclable paper, aluminum cans, plate glass. Sixth, construction and demolition, concrete, plastic, metal, wood, etc. Seventh, e-waste gadgets, old television sets, computer, etc. Eighth, medical bandage, syringes, needles, medicine. We
Ma'am,
need
I can read second
to
paragraph.
we need to dispose the garbage that we create responsibly and use our natural resources carefully so that we can conserve our environment.
Okay. Now, children, we studied here how many types of wastes are there. There are organic waste, there are hazardous waste, there are liquid, organic, recyclable, construction, demolition, so many different types of waste. Can you tell me what is construction and demolition waste? What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, the concrete, the broken concrete or the plastic
Yes, very nice. We see around us that there is so much construction going on, right? Whenever we
Yes, ma'am.
move on roads, we see somewhere or the other some construction work is always going on. So, what do we see? We see a lot of concrete. Concrete is what? Concrete is this cement and all, brick, cement, these iron rods, and everything. So, the places are full of this construction and demolition. Demolition is when you demolish a building. So there is a lot of waste that comes out from that. We have that in form of construction and demolition waste. It has got metal, wood, cement, concrete, plastic, and so much. Then we have medical waste. Now we've got so many dispensaries, so many clinics and hospitals. There we have on daily basis we see so many patients. So obviously a lot of waste is generated at these places as well. In which form do we see wastes in hospital? Tell me, what are the different kind of waste that we
Ma'am,
see?
bandages, injections.
Yes,
Ma'am,
disposable
Ma'am,
gloves and syringes.
ma'am, and that also.
ma'am, mask.
Ma'am, mask and
Yes, very nice. And that also what?
ma'am, syringe.
Yes, syringes, then medicine wrappers and
Yes,
boxes,
ma'am.
so many things. We see these different types of things. Now, children, what is organic waste? Let's talk about organic waste.
Ma'am,
Ritvik, can
ma'am,
you
can
tell
I
me what
tell?
is organic waste?
Ma'am,
Ritvik, what is organic waste, beta? Beta, unmute yourself. You are still not unmuted. Ritvik, you're not unmuted only. Unmute yourself.
ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, just read it from here, no? What is organic waste?
Ma'am, from where?
From these types of waste, just have a look. Take interest, beta. Take interest. Children, start taking interest in what is going on in class. In your class, I have only 2 or 3 or 4
Ma'am, can
students
I
who just
read?
keep
Ma'am,
responding. Nobody
can
else
I
does.
read them?
Just wait, let
Ma'am,
me
can
finish
I
off
read
with
one
this
more
topic.
time?
What is organic waste?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I tell what is organic waste?
No.
Ma'am, food, peels, plants.
Yes, it is food, peels, and plants. What are food, peels, and plants? Sometimes the vegetables in our fridge or in the baskets that we keep these potatoes and onions, they get rotten. They become waste. And the peels of the vegetables on daily basis. We eat vegetables at our home. There are so many peels of vegetables that get collected. So what is this? Yes, this is all organic waste. This waste easily we can put in the ground, and it becomes good for what? It becomes good for the soil. It
Ma'am,
acts like a
soil.
manure. Yes. So some waste material is good for the environment while other is very harmful for our environment. So we must treat each waste material according to its nature. Right? Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
moving ahead, who is going to read the next? Advika Gupta, read out the next one.
Ma'am, waste magnet. means collection, transport, processing, or disposal.
Managing.
Managing and monitoring of waste matter in a safe manner to minimize its impact on our environment. There are two kinds of waste: biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Okay, wait.
Biodegradable waste
Wait.
comes.
What is it? It's biodegradable. Speak it again.
Biodegradable.
Yes, and non-biodegradable.
Biodegradable.
Okay, then
Waste come from plants and animals. It mixes with the soil without harming our environment. Food items like vegetables, fruits, and paper are biodegradable. Waste, non-biodegradable. Waste such as plastic, tin, aluminum. Ma'am, what is this?
Ma'am, can I tell?
aluminium thermocol.
Aluminium and thermocol and gas causes harm to the environment as they do not mix with the soil. Waste must be stored into biodegradable and non-biodegradable before being disposed.
Okay. Now we study that there are two types of waste which are biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Right? Now what is a biodegradable waste?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, biodegradable waste is the waste that can be, ma'am, mixed with the soil. It is not harmful to the environment. Ma'am,
Yes.
and non-biodegradable waste is the waste which is very harmful to the environment and can destroy the environment.
Yes. Why? Because it does not get mixed with the soil. The waste material that gets mixed with the soil is biodegradable, while the other one is not very good for environment. It is very harmful for environment. Why? Because it creates pollution. Any example of one biodegradable waste, children?
Ma'am, the fruit peels and the rotten
Very nice.
vegetables, ma'am.
Ma'am, clothes. Ma'am, clothes
Good.
when small, then
Ma'am, banana peel.
because they are small, then we cannot repair.
And what is one example of non-biodegradable?
Ma'am, tin.
Ma'am, metal, plastic, glass,
Ma'am, tin.
ma'am, the broken mobiles and laptops.
Okay,
Ma'am,
very
tin.
nice. Okay, what is paper? What kind of a waste is paper?
Ma'am, biodegradable.
Biodegradable.
Yes, it's biodegradable because it gets mixed with the soil.
Soil.
And what kind of a waste is a polythene?
Ma'am,
non-biodegradable.
non-biodegradable.
Very nice. Polythene is non-biodegradable. Children, how many of you took part in Olympiad?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I have also not took part in the Olympiad.
And I also not took part in the Olympiad.
I also not.
And I also.
Ma'am, we also not.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it necessary to take part in the Olympiad, the
No,
English
it
one?
wasn't compulsory, beta. Only
Ma'am,
the
was
ones.
there any marks for it?
No, there were no marks for it.
Ma'am, then why was it held?
It was just held for your practice. You're going to get certificates for that. it is not related to like your class 4th A. Like you will not, it will not be in your report card. You will get a separate certificate for that. It has got nothing to do with your academic report. Fine. But it is just for your
Are there
practice.
going to be many
Yes.
competitions held?
Yes.
Ma'am, are there going to be many competitions held?
Yes. Today it's English Olympiad. Now in January it will be of science and maths. So if you want to take part, you will get a message on your class group and then you can get yourself enrolled. Fine. Just wait, children. Because there are students who are not being able to open it. I just need to help them. Till then, just read out the next one. How is waste managed?
Ma'am, can I?
Ritvik Arora, start reading the next one. How is waste managed?
Burning. When waste is burned, it creates a lot of carbon dioxide. Countries like Denmark and Germany have machines that burn, process, and manage the waste. Landfills. The waste is taken to a place where it may or may not be sorted and disposited. Using things that we do not need can be given to others who may find them useful. For example, old clothes, toys, books, jars, boxes, and bottles. Composting. All the biodegradable items such as vegetable and fruit peels, leaves, twigs, and flowers decay. This decayed organic matter makes good manure or humus. Kitchen and garbage waste can be collected in a pit or a box with small holes and allowed to decay for some time and used as manure.
Done?
No, ma'am. Recycling. It is the method by which waste materials such as plastic, paper, glass, tin, cans, and aluminum can be made into new useful products. Recycling protects the environment, conserves natural resources, and saves energy. I'm done.
Yes. So how it should be managed? Any one of you can just tell
Ma'am?
me in brief how waste should be managed.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can manage the waste, ma'am, by like we can mix the biodegradable
We can?
items with biodegradable items with the soil.
Yes. We can, the
Ma'am, we can
organic, see, the organic waste can be put into the soil. What we should do, we should put the organic waste into the soil so that it is good for the soil. It becomes good for the soil. And for other things like the plastic things or the glass things, we should try to reuse them. What should be done?
excuse
What do
me,
you do
ma'am.
with the plastic bottles, the plastic tiffins that get wasted in your home? What do you do with them?
Ma'am, reuse it.
Yes, we either we try to reuse it or we give it to our house helpers, right? So that it can be reused by them, isn't it? So we should try, we
Yes,
should
ma'am.
not unnecessarily
Excuse
throw
me, ma'am.
everything away. We should try to reuse things to save our environment. And then we have the recycling. There are so many products that get recycled. So this recycling also protects the environment. Then doing our bit. Now let's see what we can do. Doing our bit. That means contributing a little. Now, how we can contribute a little? Let's see. Krishav, read out.
We can follow the given steps to make sure that we conserve the environment. First, reduce cutting waste.
And which paragraph?
The last one, doing our bit. Page number 136.
Con-
What are you reading, Krisha? Beta, what are
Excuse
you
me,
reading? Where are you reading?
Ma'am, I am reading the doing our orbit.
Doing our bit. Okay, doing our bit. Yes, read properly.
We can follow the given steps to make sure that we conserve the environment. Reduce cutting waste. Ma'am, what is it in this, ma'am?
Consumption of
CO
paper.
Consumption of paper, fuel, and water. Use
Crockery.
crockery at home that can be washed and reused. Use things like gift,
Reuse. Beta, it is called reuse.
reuse, reuse things like gift, wrapping paper, packing boxes, clothing, furniture, and toys. Recycle by changing the original look and shape of thing, like using the old tire as a swing. Conservation old bottles into useful strong jars and writing on both sides of a sheet of the paper. Talking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I ask something?
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, what happens to the nuclear waste?
What happens to the nuclear waste?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is a task for all of you to have a look, search it out, what happens with the nuclear waste, what is done. I'm sure even it is disposed or it is brought to an end in a very uh, healthy way, which is not harmful for our environment. What exactly is done, even I'm going to look for it now. Then, hurry up and read out the last para, beta. There is no time left.
Taking care of the environment is important for the survival and health of the human beings, plants, and animals. Conservation of the environment and the natural resources means prevention, the loss of waste, damage in the deterioration of the environment, conservation the environment is a collective